Today, I would like to show you 5 different features on your Samsung Galaxy phone based on security. First of all, we will go into the settings. And right here, I would like to show you one feature first. If you go all the way down here, we go to the lock screen, and then you go to secure lock settings. And then you type in or you go to your pattern. Make sure you have to turn this on. Auto factory resets after 20 times they try to unlock. So let's just say if your phone got stolen and the guy will try to unlock your phone, right? After 20 times unsuccessful, your phone will actually factory reset for you. So your thing will be pretty much protected because they cannot get in the phone and then will be fully factory reset. The second thing is lock and network, okay? Lock, network, and security. This feature is pretty important. Let's just say if I turn this off and let's just say I suddenly stole your phone, I can actually go in and turn this Wi-Fi off. So now you cannot search my phone, right? I can turn this on, turn this off without unlocking the phone. But however, if I turn this on right now, okay, I can unlock my phone. Now if I try to turn this off, I can't. You can see that. I need my fingerprint, I need my password to actually get into the Wi-Fi and shut it off. So let's just say if I stole your phone, I cannot do that anymore. Okay, so make sure you turn that on. It's very important to turn this on. And now the final thing on this pages is actually show lockdown mode, which means that if you hold your button right there, okay, there's a lockdown mode. What lockdown mode means that the whole phone will completely lock down. Your Face ID will be gone or your fingerprint will be gone. You have to get in by using the pattern or your password. No more biometric unlock. Okay, this is what we call lockdown. So 1, 2, 3 must turn it on. Okay, now I'm going to show you the third and the fourth and the fifth features. So let's just say we're going to go all the way down and then we're going to go into device care. Okay, so this is actually quite important. If you go all the way to auto optimization, you can actually do like auto reset. So let's just say if Samsung thinks that, oh, hey, your phone need to do some resets because it's calling up, it's slowing down, they can do the reset for you automatic. Or you can actually set a schedule for the phone to reset by themselves. Let's just say every single day, I want like 3 a.m. So you can do that. Or you can just select a certain day to reset at 3 a.m. Okay, so this is actually quite important if you actually want your phone to be clean when you wake up. And one more thing is right here, maintenance mode, all the way down, temporary cloud backup. Did you know Samsung will lend you their cloud to do backup? Doesn't matter if your phone has like 200 gig, 500 gig, 1 TB, Samsung Cloud will lend it to you to use their cloud for 30 days. After 30 days, if you don't use it, don't restore your information, everything will be gone. You can see that they already say 30 days. Okay, so they will give you 30 days to keep all your information, whatever you want. Let's just say you get a new phone, you just press restore and then everything will be back there. But after 30 days, automatically delete. Alright, so these are 5 features that you need to know on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I hope this video will help you. And thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye. Peace out.